Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of only app you click on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about only app and you click. In this page we click on first stop and you click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and think of your